What's going on, everyone? We're out here in Michigan and we are wrapping up today's elementary school show. We had a blast like no other. We always do. And now we're going to show you how to take apart a 1,000-pound ramp. Muscles. Oh man, doesn't get any easier. Oh God, it's heavy. Watch your fingers. 3, 2, 1.
You are ready.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It only gets easier. Oh, that works. I don't know how that happened. I've never been like that.
Yay! He just wanted to dance with me. And that's wrapping up our show at Michigan. Thank you so much for tuning in. And that's how you put away 1,000 pounds worth of ramp and a little bit of Christopher. Later, all.